Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox error code 279 failed to connect to the game. So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to open up your browser and need to go to status.roblox.com and see if the Roblox servers are fully operational, right? And you need to see if the problem is on your end or on Roblox. So if the server is fully operational, then the next thing that you can do here, you need to go to speed test and check your internet connection and speed. So if you have a good internet speed and connection, you're good to go. But if you don't, then try to limit some maybe devices or restart your router if you did not that in a while. And after restart your computer. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to search and then go to command prompt and right click on it and go to run as administrator here. And this basically window open up, and then you need to just put these following lines here. So ipconfig flash DNS, press enter, and then ipconfig release, press enter, and then ipconfig renew, press enter, and then nesh int IP reset, and press enter, and nesh winsock reset, and press enter. And after you do that, then restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. And if you're having the problem, then the last thing that you can do here is to basically change your DNS settings. And to do so, on the bottom right, you should see this little network icon here. Just right click on it, go to open network and internet settings, and then go to change adapter options, and then just right click on it, go to properties, and here you need to just click on Internet Protocol version 4, and here press use the following DNS server addresses, and just on preferred DNS servers write 8.8.8.8, and on alternative DNS server write 8.8.4.4. Press OK. OK, and then restart your computer and the problem should be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.